Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be making smoothie and a banana milkshake my way. So this is the thing I'm going to be using to make the smoothie, and it's from Snap-on. So we're going to add the banana, and then we'll call Roy so he could taste it. We're going to put some milk in here. I like cinnamon, so we'll put a little bit of cinnamon in there. A little bit of vanilla flavor. And he loves sugar. So we'll put 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. Whoops. We'll just put this here. Oh, come on. What is it? I guess it's not aligned. Oh, geez. Oh, we're not even connected. Okay. Now the thing about this is you gotta hold it to make it go. And his milkshake is ready. Roy, you wanna come and try it? The milkshake. Banana. Oh, man. Guys, that was very, very good, but too sweet for my taste. We're going to make a smoothie now. This is mixed frozen fruit. Your milkshake is right there. Come on, sit down and say hello to the YouTubers. They're watching you. And we're going to use pineapple juice. And oh, it's loud.
Maybe it has too much ice.
It's frozen fruit, that's for sure. Maybe I have to add just a little bit more pineapple juice because it's like ice cream right now. See, this little arrow's got to line up with the unlock button there. And then you twist. There we go. Fantastic. I don't like sugar in mine.
Wow.
And look how thick that is. That is beautiful, guys. So remember, tell your Snap-on guy that you want one of these. For the summertime, it's great. Very good.
Natural fruit.
Yes, natural fruit. Okay. How's yours?
I like this better. That's got too much ice.
But it tastes really, really good. Maybe they want to say hello to the audience here. It's like an ice cream. Look how thick that is. And that's Vivi. She always wants to get into everything.
The munchies, crunchies, baby.
I left you a microphone right there if you wanted to say something.
It's up
Oh,
here.
it's here up there. It's cold, and on a cold day, this is not very good to have, but it tastes really, really good. Oh,
At least they get to see what it does.
what it does for the summertime. In the wintertime, you just may want to let it thaw out a little bit and then enjoy the taste. But thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, folks.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.